the zero exponent rule. Now this one sometimes is troubling for people, so I want to go through this. So let's just think about 5 over 5. Well, what's anything divided by itself? Well, 5 divided by 5 is 1. I know that. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 12 is 1. Anything divided by itself is 1. Great. Well, what about x to the third over x to the third? By that process, anything divided by itself is 1. Well, let's think about our quotient rule. Same base, subtract the exponents, so x to the 0. So x to the 0 and 1 are the same. Works the same if I would do y to the 4th over y to the 4th. By my quotient rule, 4 minus 4 gives me y to the 0. But anything over itself is 1. So the rule is anything to the 0 power, so a to the 0, where a is any value, is 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1, always. So if I say simplify y to the 7th over y to the 7th, now you could look at that and say, well, anything over itself is 1, or do the quotient rule. 7 minus 7 gives me y to the 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. In letter B, now I have a product in the numerator, a product in the denominator. I need to simplify by base, right? So first, let's look at our x's. I have x to the 4th over x to the 4th. So 4 minus 4 gives me x to the 0. I know that's just 1. Then I look at my y's. I have y to the 3rd over y. Remember, if there's no exponent, it's automatically a 1. So y to the 3 minus 1 gives me y squared. So my final answer is 1y squared, or just y squared. So make sure you're paying attention what exponents go with what variable. Make sure your bases are the same when you're working with this. And more importantly, always remember, anything to the 0 power is 1.